Hi, in this video I will show you how to install TUBI TV on Smart TVs. So if you're wondering how you can install your TUBI application into your Smart TV and continue streaming, what you can do is I have in here this article from TUBI TV itself. So, if your device is one of these on the list, which are Amazon Fire TV, Apple TV, Comcast Xfinity, Cox, Hisense, LG, PS4 or PS5, Roku, Rogers, Samsung TV, Sony Smart TV and Blu-ray, TVO, Vizio, Xbox One. So if your device is on the list that I have mentioned, you can just visit your device App Store or Play Store and search for Tubi. Then you should be able to find the application itself and then install it into your actual device. So any of this device can actually be installed locally using the App Store, and if not, you can just open your web browser and then search for Tubi app install. So you can just search for that and then go over to your Google Play Store and then head over and then try to install it into your TV. So that's how you install Tubi TV on smart TVs. Hope we helped.